Kolapore Springs, located in the heart of Ontario, Canada. Surrounded by enchanted rolling woodland with an abundance of flora and fauna. The property itself is a short 20-minute drive from Thornbury, 30 minutes from Collingwood, and under 2 hours drive from Toronto. With 70 acres of land, the centerpiece of the property is a beautiful 17-acre pond with a depth of 16 feet. This property has 9 natural springs. The water emerges from the ground at 56 degrees Fahrenheit after being filtered through 250 feet of limestone rock, where it feeds the trout ponds, providing them with their ideal living conditions. Kolapore Springs already is an established brand, synonymous with quality and freshness. The hatchery itself is fully self-sustainable, with its brook, brown and rainbow trout. Eggs are collected from the mature females and sperm from the males, allowing the cycle of life to continue. The processing plant in Owen Sound, with its attached retail outlet, is a turnkey, ready-to-go business, fully operational. It is fully AODA compliant and located a 45-minute drive away from the hatchery. Specializing in processing and distributing fresh rainbow brook and brown trout, its brand is synonymous with being a sought-after, high-quality protein. The facility is currently open 4 days a week, with 1 day allocated for cleaning, giving the option of expanding the processing capability by 50% solely by being open for another 2 days during the week. Currently, the processing plant has the capacity to output 2,000 pounds worth of fish a week, 1,000 pounds worth of smoked and 1,000 pounds worth of fresh fish. The processing plant is federally licensed, and this license can be transferred to the new owner if desired, giving them the ability to expand the business across the border as they wish. 95% of the business's market are small grocery stores. The other 5% of sales are to wholesalers and restaurants and hotels, which get the product delivered using reefer trucks and third-party shippers. The Kolapore Springs brand, with its small product line, has enabled it to become specialized, generating an exceptionally strong, loyal customer base, which is continuing to grow organically. The business can handle the growth due to fish already being purchased from all over the country, making it uniquely positioned. This is one of Kolapore's biggest assets, as it has the ability to maintain an increased supply and produce as needed. One of the byproducts of fish farming is the organic waste produced by the fish. This is exceptionally high in nutrients and is a phenomenal fertilizer. This creates an interesting potential revenue stream that to date has not been capitalized on. Did you know a litre of fish fertilizer sells for $23? At the hatchery, there is room to expand the business also by increasing the quantity of sales in fingerlings. This could be easily done because there is plenty of room for expansion on the property to meet the desired market. The property is abundant with fresh springs, producing an amazing source of fresh water. In the surrounding region there are many springs which are capped, and then the water is bottled by small bespoke bottling companies, which use mobile bottling trucks as needed, thereby not requiring any infrastructure on the property. This is possible as they do not require a license, as they are bottling less than 50,000 litres a day. An aspect of the property that must not be overlooked is its natural beauty. With its multiple lakes and water sources surrounded by trees, it is truly stunning. In previous years, it has been used as a venue for various culinary activities, such as Feast in the Forest, where visitors wandered between stations around the lake and through the trees, sampling a variety of different delights. With an existing reputation for culinary tourism, the next progression would be to create the possibility for multiple glamping sites all year round, incorporating activities such as fishing, biking, and snowshoeing. day trout fishing farms in the region charge an admission fee, rod rental fee, and set dollar value per pound of fish caught. This could potentially be incorporated into the glamping daily fee. Taking advantage of the sense of remoteness with little to no sound or light pollution, this property is perfect for meditation and yoga workshops or retreats during the day, with the ability to have guided astronomy sessions at night. With the property in Kolapore and the processing facility in Owen Sound, one thing is certain: opportunities abound.